Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you the etracer chassis of etracer live. Okay, so I already posted a couple photos on Facebook etracer group. So here is the chassis of etracer, and the material I used here is a 5052 aluminum alloy. It's an aluminum magnesium alloy. The plate is 1.5 millimeter, and it will come unassembled. So it's actually formed by 7 pieces of plate: the back plate, the side plate, the bottom plate, and the the front plate and the 2 top plates. And the user has to use screws to assemble this. So the reason I did it is because I need to ship the chassis overseas, so I want to minimize the size of the package. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the chassis. Let's start from the back plate. So this is the back plate, and here we have a 3-in-1 socket. So we have the mains inlet. So this guy will take anything with the internal switching power supply from Meanwhile. It will take any AC from 100 volt all the way to 230 volts. We have a fuse holder here, and we have a power switch here. So this square hole is for USB. This is a USB Type B plug. The original opening is too high on the engineering sample, so it will interfere with the socket here. So I opened another hole here, and and the final product, the hole will be the lower one. And here is opening for the 8 cm cooling fan for the ventilation, especially. So it will move the air either direction, because the hotspot is here, the heater supply, and so it will provide ventilation for the power controller chip underneath the heatsink. Okay. This is a front plate. I don't think there's anything interesting there. So let's maybe this. Okay. Okay. So the size of the chassis is quite compact, and I put a lot of effort to trying to make it small. Okay, the height is like 10 cm because it has to accommodate the 8 cm chassis fan, and the width is something around 30 centimeter, and the depth is 19 centimeter. Okay, and we have 2 plates on the top. The smaller one connects to the PCB. Okay, so maybe the 6 terminals here connect to the 6 output of the PCB. So we have a high voltage 1 and 2 ground, the negative output, and the 2 the 2 for the heater. Okay. And there are like 5 LEDs, power LEDs, heater, negative, and high voltage. So if I turn on the power, the power LED will light up, and the fan will start. On the side here, there is the one with the LED. It's a 150 watts to 200 watts AC to DC power supplies supplied by meanwhile the output is 29 volts. Okay, so it's quite compact in size, and it saves a lot of real estate. Okay, so this is the top plate for the socket, and this plate is designed to be removable, and I plan to use to put 10 sockets here, according to the poll on the Facebook. So the 6 sockets here are the most like popular one. We have UX4, the 4-pin sockets. We have the Octo, the 8-pin sockets for like tubes like EO34 or KT88. The miniature 9-pin, the 5-pin for tubes like AO7, the big 9 for tubes like W437, and the miniature 7. And here, these 4 are like for European tubes. So, okay, so this is Lacto. It's for tubes like STC 3A167M. B5 for tubes like AD1, and this guy is for like German tubes like the AZ1 rectifier, and this socket is for tubes like Telefunken EO156. Okay, and if the user doesn't like the combination I put here, I plan to offer a plain, empty plate with no socket opening for sockets, so the user can design their own. Okay. And on the back, the user has to do the hard work and connecting the tube sockets to the terminals. And the rule is quite simple. So the O pin 1 on all sockets goes to here. O pin 2 on all tube sockets goes to the number 2 here. So after the connection, when we want to test the tube, we simply connect the output of the PCB to the corresponding pins to the backend tube. Okay, so there's also a comment on Facebook suggesting that a separate module, so you can if you have a tube that requires a spatial socket, you can design your own, and you simply connect the output to that module, or you can use this and design your own socket module, so it's not too difficult. And as a third option, I'll probably offer another combination without these 4 European sockets. So the plate will come with the 6 most commonly used tube socket, and it allows the user the ability to create their own combination on this part. Okay, so that's pretty much about it. Let's take a look. Inside. Okay, so in the next video, I'll show you how to connect the cables and perform some measurement. That's pretty much about it. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you like the design of the chassis. Goodbye.